So next, now that we have our frame, we still have our ruler, our pencil. I also have today a kneaded eraser, and you may want a nice dry paintbrush, clean dry paintbrush, especially if you erase a lot, you end up with a lot of eraser shavings. It's nice to have a brush to quickly just brush them away. It's also nice to have, if you're gonna be blending a lot, it's nice to have a clean towel around to wipe your hands on. Anyway, we've created the 2-inch frame around our good white drawing paper, and now we are going to create 5 2-inch wide by 1-inch tall areas where the value scales are going to go. So we measured in from our first measurements 2 inches on both sides. And I already kind of pre-measured that one. I always just like to turn the paper over rather than trying to, that's not mine, there it is. Rather than trying to just move the ruler around and keep the paper in the same place. So there's our first 2 value scales, and then I'm gonna measure 1 inch each in between each one and fit 3 more. So there's gonna be an inch of space, a 2-inch value scale, an inch of space, a 2-inch value scale, and then an inch of space. So through 5 2-inchers with some 1-inch spaces in between. So I'm gonna do that on time lapse real quick, and then I'm going to measure in 1-inch increments and grid the entire interior of this frame.